So, I forgot to put spoon and fork for your baon, which is your lunch, adobo, and rice. So you didn't ask them for a spoon, Chobe?
I didn't.
You didn't? Why?
I don't know.
Why? How did you eat your food?
With my hands.
With what?
With my hands, without something.
So, why with your hands?
What?
Why? Why did you use your hands?
That's because I just washed my hands.
And then, what did you say about how did you eat it?
With my hands?
Like
Tastes so good.
Like tastes so good?
Uh-huh.
Like what? Like Philippine, what did you say? Philippine style, you said?
Mm-hmm.
How did you eat it? How did you eat it?
With my hands.
With your hands. Show me how. How? Huh?
Like this.
How? Show me. Huh? Where?
Over here.
I can't see. It's too dark. Not too close. Show the camera. How did you use your hands? Philippine style?
Mm-hmm.
Kamayan?
Yep.
You say kamayan.
Kamayan.
Look at mommy.
What?